Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be using our Ninja Slushi to make frozen Tart Cherry Lemonade. This is one of my summertime favorites, and I think after you try it, it might be one of yours too. So you ready? Let's get into this. For our ingredients, we're going to need fresh lemon juice, some tart cherry juice, a whole bunch of water, cane sugar, and some allulose. If you want to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. If you don't have a Ninja Slushi, don't worry so much. If you have any slushie machine, it's still going to work out the same way. If you don't have either one of those, then you could probably use a compressor ice cream machine. And if you don't have one of those, you can get away with using a blender. If you do that, it's probably not going to come out quite as smooth, and you're going to have to do some estimating with the water content, seeing as how you're going to have to use ice cubes instead of plain water. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, open that up, and we're going to pour in our cane sugar and our allulose. The reason I'm using both cane sugar and allulose is because in order to make a slushie, it has to have a minimum sugar content to it. That can either be sugar that you add in, like I just did here, or it can be sugar that naturally occurs in whatever type of juice that you're using. If you don't have enough sugar in your mix, it's going to over harden and you'll end up with a big block of ice instead of a slushie. Sugar substitutes like the allulose don't count. They don't have the same effect on the liquids as the sugar does, so that's why we're using that. The reason I have the allulose in here is just to sweeten it up a little bit more. I'm using the minimum amount of sugar that I can in order to keep the calorie count down and keep that sugar content down as well. Now that we have those in here, we can pour in our cherry juice and our lemon juice. And we're going to top this off with water, just being sure not to fill it past the 64-ounce max fill line. Now all we got to do is close this up, turn on our machine, and we're going to start it on the slushy cycle, just like that. For the freeze level, we're not going to leave it at the default, we're going to push it up one level. Now all we got to do is wait. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, our slushies are ready. Let's try them out. Ooh, look at that. That's looking good.
A mega pint.
Frozen lemonade is so good. Unfortunately, the only time I ever seem to get it is when I'm at a Six Flags park or something. Now that I make it at home, I can have it every day. Maybe it wasn't such a good idea to buy a slushie machine. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Slushi, I do have an Amazon affiliate link to it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. If you like this video, you might like this video right here where I show you how to make some really great pistachio ice cream in a Ninja Creamy Deluxe. That's one of my favorite flavors and it came out fantastic. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon, and until that time, I'm Joe and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.